Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a storage basket, side table, and this was actually inspired by an Instagram post. It was a sponsored video. I wish I remember the name of the company, but it was basically selling these giant wire baskets with wood and handles on top, and they were meant to be used as side tables or hampers, and I thought it was a brilliant idea, so decided to make my own with Dollar Tree materials. And please don't forget, just because I'm using Dollar Tree materials doesn't mean that you can't use thrift store materials or IKEA or anywhere else to fit your needs and your size, basically. Anyway, I really hope that you enjoy this video and stick around by subscribing to this channel. Let's go ahead and get started. For this project, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree basket. It's not huge, but it's not super small. It's the same exact basket that I used for my other storage basket DIY. And you can use side cutters to remove the handles, but a little bit of force works just as well. So now that everything is removed, I'm going to spray paint it using oil rubbed bronze. And this is one of the prettiest spray paints I've seen. The texture is so nice, and everything does end up looking like wire afterwards. So I'm using my spray paint gun. It really helps me preserve a ton of spray paint and get more of an accurate positioning of where I'm spraying. So I love this thing. I bought it at Walmart, by the way, and you can find it at Lowe's and any of those other places. You really want to take your time when you're spray painting this so everything is nice and covered, and to hide the fact that it's a basket. So let it dry overnight. Now we're going to work on our pizza pan. So I'm going to remove everything that comes on the pizza pan, of course. And then I'm going to add some handles to this. And I bought this handle at $1 Zone. Any dollar store will have them. Dollar Tree sometimes carries handles, but it's very rare. So I'm going to see where I want to position them. And I ended up painting these as well, just so everything goes together. And you can see the texture here. And now I'm going to add them using my E6000. And you want to make sure that you add a generous amount, but that you don't do it too close to the edge so that it doesn't seep out and look like it's glued on. So now you're going to position it where you want it and do the same thing to the other side. And you can still reposition if you want, since this does not dry instantly. So now that you have this in place, let it dry overnight, and the next morning I can lift with no issue, but of course I'm going to test out the weight. So I'm going to add my little plant on there, which is probably what I'm going to add to it anyway. And it lifts with no problem, but since this is light, I want to add more weight. So I did a full can of spray paint to see if the handles hold up, and they do. So now that my basket is fully dry and ready to go, I am going to go ahead and add my pizza pan on top and see how it fits. And for me, I think this is a perfect fit. At this point, your basket is ready to use, and you can fill it up with your throw blankets, your books, your toilet paper, whatever your heart desires. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time.